Installing some new lights in my son's quad. Left one here. Went missing one day apparently. We got a new bulb in there. But they are Nilight LEDs off Amazon. H4 type. Fits the Can-Ams. That's what they look like. We'll just put the first one in. You can definitely tell a difference. Oh, can't really see on the camera. You can see it's a little whiter on that side compared to the yellowish look. We'll definitely be able to tell tonight when we take her out tonight and see what they look like at night. We're gonna pop this other one in and be done with it. I'll put a link down below to where I got them. It was right off Amazon. Got them in like 2 days, 3 days, or something like that. I forget how much they were, like $40, $50. Nilight LEDs. Pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna pop this other one in.